We give the size of a hexagon by either saying that they're a certain distance across their flat portions, which would be in this case from there to there, or we can also give the size of a hexagon that would be across corners, which would be from this corner to this corner. Okay, those are entirely two different sides, so it's important that you get specific instructions on what size the hexagon is and whether it's across flats or across corners. The next exercise wants you to construct a regular hexagon that's 2.5 inches across flats. Well, I really don't know how to start, except that I can start with a circle, and maybe I'll find the center point of my space here so I can center the hexagon in the space, and I can start by drawing a circle that's 2.5 inches in diameter. So I'll go ahead and mark off 2.5 inches, or actually the radius is 1.25. So I'll draw a circle of that radius, or diameter, of course, which is 2.5. So now it says that it wants a hexagon that's 2.5 inches across flats. Well, what that tells me is if it's got to be 2.5 inches across flats, I ought to just make the flat portion of that circle, draw a line, and since I know I can construct a hexagon with my 30-60 triangle, I can go ahead and do tangents to that circle. And it doesn't matter whether I went over my instructions. I guess I centered my drawing a little bit too far down. But what I have here is now a hexagon that's 2.5 inches across flats. I'll check it to make sure, and that is correct.